So triangular pyramid of 40 mm side of base and axis length 60 mm long is placed with its base on the HP such that the edge of the base is parallel to the VP and near to it. So we understood what will be the first position and how it will be drawn. Now cutting plane is inclined at 60 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP, bisects the axis. So bisects the axis means it is exactly cutting at the midpoint, and right midpoint of the axis. Draw the sectional top view, sectional side view, and true shape of the section. So extra thing is they have asked here is sectional side view. Okay, so first I'm going to construct the pyramid, triangular pyramid here. Okay, so first I'm going to draw here. VP, HP and Y. You can see is placed with one of its base. It's parallel to VP. Okay, so dimension 40 mm. I'll take near to it. Okay. So take compass. Okay, so mark the midpoints. Since it is a pyramid, so we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors. Okay, A, B, and C, and O1. Okay, so dimensions we can show here. It's 40 mm. Okay, dimension 40. Now we can draw the front view. So front view axis length is 60 mm. We have to draw an axis length. Okay, 60. I can see cutting plane inclined at 60 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP bisects the axis of the pyramid. Bisects the axis means exactly at midpoint we should consider here. So midpoint is this. So take the protractor and mark for angle 60 degree. Okay, draw an locus line, line 2 dash, line 2 dash, line 2 dash. Okay, like that we should draw. Okay, so here at the end we mention with a small arrow mark. This is capital S. Okay, so this is done. A dash, B dash, C dash, O1 dash, and O dash. Okay, now we mark the cut points. 1. So 1 it is exactly cutting on the edge OA. So So we draw a line here, and this is your point number 1. The same way, so this is your point number 2. Okay, this is your point number 2. Okay, you can see this edge is not, it is exactly perpendicular. We take it on the slant edge. Okay, that's why we have taken here. So from here to here, I'll take the compass and I'll cut the arc. This is your point number 2. And this is here 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. You can see, just I'm going to project it. So this is in the B and C we have 3, and here we have 4. Okay, now you join it to complete the sectional weave. Okay, so this sectional top weave is done. Now the same way we're going to draw one parallel line here. Okay, so we mark it at 90 degree. Yeah. Now we have to measure this distance. Okay, so in order to cut the arcs here, we have to measure this distance here. This is Q1. Okay, in the same way, Q2. Q3. Q4. Okay, so this is done. Now we take compass and we are going to measure the distance. Okay, 1, it is done. 2, we have to cut it here. 3 is here, and point number 4 is here. Okay, so we have done with 1, 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So now we can join it. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to draw the side weave. Okay, this one, y1. Okay. It's 45-degree angle line. Okay. So now we are drawing the side view of it. This is a double dash. Okay. Sorry. Triangular pyramid of base heads 50, axis length 70, long, stand vertically on its base on HP, such that one of the base edges is perpendicular to VP. So we have to draw perpendicular to VP. Section plane perpendicular to VP and parallel to one of the slant edges. You can see parallel to one of slant edges of the pyramid and passes at a distance of 25 from it. Draw the front view, sectional top view and true C shape of the section and find the inclination of the sectional plane with HP. So first we have to construct a triangle here of dimension VP, HP and Y. So this thing should be perpendicular. You can see perpendicular to VP. Base edges is perpendicular to VP. So that means we should consider here 5 boxes. It is done. Okay. So mark the midpoints. Since it is a pyramid, so we should mark the midpoints to draw the perpendicular by here medians. Okay. So mark the midpoints, then draw median lines here. Okay, now we erase these lines. Here this is B and this is O1. Okay, here we have to construct dimension of 50 mm. Okay. Here axis length you can see it is 70 mm. So 70 mm we should consider. A dash, B dash, A dash not visible, C dash, O1 dash and O dash. Okay, so this is the axis length of 70. So we should consider here axis length of 70 mm. You can see this is the base edge OC. So you can see this is what parallel to the XY. Okay, OC. That's why this slant edge is this one. So this is our slant edge. Okay, so this is our slant edge because OC edge, the slant edge here parallel to XY. That is what this is our slant edge now. Okay, so here parallel to it, so we have to draw. You can see here a section plane perpendicular to VP and parallel to one of the slant edges of the pyramid passes at a distance of 25 from it. Okay, 25 from it means, so what we have to draw perpendicularly, I'll be consider a length here. First I'm going to mark one reference point for 90 degree. Then after that I'm going to consider, say from this point 90 degree, I'm going to consider. Okay, now here exactly perpendicularly I'm going to draw a distance of 25. Okay, you can see 10, 20, 25. So we should mark for 25. Okay, here 10, 20, 25. So now parallel, you can see parallelly I'll be drawing one section plane here. So okay, so we have done. Now we can mark the cut points here. 1, 2, 3. This is, you can see here this way cutting. So this is, it is cutting a section plane. This is 1. What cutting here. So the one point, it is exactly cutting here. This is our point number 1, and this is point number 2, this is point number 3, this is point number 4. Now we can join it. Okay, so this is what the sectional plane. Now parallelly, so we have to measure the distance. So this is what exactly the same distance. Okay, root Q1 and Q2 same, and here you can mention Q3 and Q4. Okay, so parallelly with respect to this section plane, I'm going to draw another line here. Okay, so now I have to mark the perpendicular points here. So we have done. Now we have to measure the distance using compass. Okay. So this is 1. So 1 we got it here. Same way we got the 2 here. 3 and 4. So we can write this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, now we can join it. Okay, now you draw slant edges. True shape of section, and this is sectional top view. Okay, so this completes the problem.